Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will do the unboxing of a Huawei Band 3 Pro fitness watch. This watch does not have all the bells and whistles of an Apple Watch, but it does have some advantages. Biggest advantage, the battery life lasts up to 2 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks in one charge with normal usage. It only takes 90 minutes to fully charge with a fast charger, like the one provided on a Huawei Page 30 phone. The watch is waterproof, up to 5 ATM, so you may swim with it without a problem. It is capable of giving you accurate real-time heart rate. The watch is ideal for people who like sports, as it can report heart rate, calories burned, distance, speed, pace VO2 max, training effect, and even recovery time and advice. It also gives you scientific sleep tracking, and it has other useful apps such as keeping track of light, deep and REM sleep stages, and etc. It has an AMOLED colorful touchscreen and it is very light. The watch also has a built-in GPS and it also gives you smart notifications. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.